going to take a boat and we are going to villa number 4. Yes, Aiden, let's take a boat ride. So this is like Dubai Venice. We are going to ride a boat to our villa and change to go to the play area. Rhea, where are you hiding? We are going now to take a boat. We're going, say bye-bye. We're going, we're on the boat. Yay! Aiden finally arrived and ready to go. Let's go, guys. We can see Madinat Jumeira. It's a wonderful holiday resort in the middle of Dubai, which consists of a few parts. Very beautiful Italian type landscape with water and canals everywhere, full of greenery, amazing restaurants. So we are heading now to the part called Al Qasr. We finally arrived to this wonderful place and Aiden got a goodie bag as a welcome gift. He's already wearing this beautiful hat and he is very happy. He will be protected from the sun and he has some goodies inside for coloring, drawing and sticking. Aiden, you arrived to the holiday? Aiden, where are you going? To Kids Club? Aiden is ready. He's drinking his milk and going. Aiden, you ready? Ready to go to the Kids Club? Let's say bye-bye. Almost there. Bye-bye. Bye. Where are you going? Kids Club? And finally we arrived to this wonderful play area. Yes, Aiden? Aiden is very happy to start swimming and splashing with other kids. He's removing his sunglasses and changing his clothes. Here we are. Changing your swimsuit, get ready for swim. How about catching some fish? Wow, nice. This net is very, very functional, very useful and catches many objects. Don't forget to take for your baby the swimming pool and beach accessories, such as little buckets, little fishing net with some toys that make the whole experience much more fun. Yeah, I'm here. Yeah. And now we reach the baby area. This is a splash pool. Splash pool is lots of fun. Aiden already tried the shower and the swings, and we're gonna try again swings and the slide. Next, we want to go to a boat ride the slide. Let's try this orange slide.
One, two, three. Aiden! Bravo!
Now it's time to look for treasures, Aiden. Wow! Say thank you. Show me, your ice cream is yummy?
Yummy.
Is it yummy? Give me, let me try. Mmm, so yummy. Again, show me again how you do it. Aiden is trying to give us ice cream. Give mommy also. So yummy. Thank you. So sweet of you. Let's go play golf. Here is your ball. Let's go play golf. Yes. Mini golf is a great game for babies and kids coordination, balance. Look at Haidar. Oh my God. Aiden is wearing this cute anti-slippery swimming pool shoes. They are really useful when it comes to slippery or dusty roads, pebbles, hot pavements.
Mama.
It's time to go home and we have to say bye to all our viewers. Please subscribe.